Thanks a lot for coming. I appreciate it. My name's Matty Conrad. Even if I never had to cut hair again, I still would. You know what I mean? I absolutely love what we do, but I want to share it with you guys, a whole bunch of the ideas about haircutting and about men's haircutting and about your own artistry that will hopefully help you be successful. I wanted to make cutting easy. I wanted to make the experience easy so that you could focus on taking care of the client, because that's the biggest thing. My goal is not just to cut a great haircut on them, it's to make them walk taller out the door than they walked in.